If you've been dabbling in surface pattern design or illustration as a fun hobby for a while now, you may be at the point where you're ready to get serious about it, put a portfolio together and to start reaching out to companies. In my experience, this step was a more daunting prospect than learning to make patterns in the first place. So let's keep things simple and focus on just one baby step in that process: sell sheets. My name is Rebecca Flaherty and I'm an artist, content creator and general all-round creative type person based here in the UK. Before 2020, when the world turned upside down, I was actually a wedding calligrapher and surface pattern design was what I did to relax and have fun at the weekends. However, when weddings came to a halt overnight, I used the time off to throw everything I had into making my dream of living off my surface pattern designs a reality. Since then, I've had the joy of seeing my designs come to life on all sorts of products in all sorts of places around the world. Simple but professional looking sell sheets are a must if you want to get started licensing your artwork. When I started out, I made the mistake of thinking I had to design a whole new sell sheet for every single design or collection I ever made, which occasionally took more time than making the piece of art in the first place. By creating a simple template that can be easily integrated into your workflow, you can ditch the analysis paralysis, get your designs out there in front of potential clients, and then get back to working on the next design. The simple sell sheet layouts that I'm going to teach you to make are the exact same ones I still use in my own online portfolio. If you have a handful of patterns or illustrations set on your computer ready for the world to see, then consider this class as the next step in your journey to getting them out there in the world. We'll be starting with the basics that every sell sheet should have, as well as a few optional extras, and then you can take what you've learned and use it to create your own simple templates that you can use over and over again. I'll be using Photoshop, but you could use different software if you're more familiar with something else. You'll be making a multi-layered template that can be used for patterns or illustrations, collections or single pieces, showing off your patterns in different colorways or different scales. Once you have your template, you can use it over and over again for each new design you create, and I'm also going to show you how I incorporate it into my overall art making and sharing workflow. Next week, I'll be sharing a free excerpt from my class where we'll go into lots of extra detail on what a sell sheet is, where you would use them, and what info needs to be included. In the meantime, if you want to continue watching, you can see the full class over on Skillshare, and if you're a Procreate user, you can download a ready-made Procreate sell sheet template for free from the Pattern Makers Toolkit over on my website. All the links are in the description. Have fun, stay creative, and I will see you soon.